we're staying here because it's our celebration, my mother's celebration ng birthday nila. So, ayan. Mamaya, iikot-ikot tayo dito at room tour. Guys, so andito na po kami sa Conrad at we're just waiting for my father para i-check-in kami dahil gagamitin yung mga credentials niya for his credit card. At ayan, we're waiting. Papunta na kami sa room namin. Birthday girl! So this is our room, guys. So in this room that they have a coffee maker, a kettle, and here's the mini bar, including the glasses or also wine if you want to chill. Let's open the mini bar first. Tapos, ito naman yung mga chips, guys, and also mga little or parang trial size na mga alcohol products. And also, yung mga condiments, guys, like tea, creams, or sugars. So, this is the bathroom. At ayan, ang cute-cute kasi meron siyang toiletries. Ayan yung toiletries niya. Merong bottled water. Meron din silang inclusion na soap. Ayan yung toilet. And ayan, may bidet sila. It's a must. While ito naman yung kanilang shower. Ayan. Ang cute. Ang ganda-ganda. At ayan, you can request any shower cream, conditioner, and shampoo if you run out of it na. So, they also have a magnifying mirror here at pwede kayong mag-makeup dito. Meron din siyang ring light but I can I can't open it. So, you can also request a pillow if meron kayong preferred na pillow. Ayan yung menu nila, 'di ba? Ayan, meron din silang memory foam at it depends on your wants or kung ano yung prefer nyo talaga. So guys, that's it for now. So I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. I hope to see you next time on my next vlog. Bye!